Have you ever wondered why we sneeze? Well, it turns out that sneezing is our body's natural defense mechanism against irritants. When something like dust or pollen tickles the inside of your nose, your brain sends a signal to expel it with incredible force. A single sneeze can travel at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. And here's a fun twist. Did you know that sneezing helps spread some illnesses? Those tiny droplets can contain viruses and bacteria, making sneezes both fascinating and dangerous. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember, it's not just an annoying interruption. It's science in action.